This is how real network engineers design subnets before configuring any router or switch. Let me show you how to design /26 network in under a minute. When every device sits in the same subnet, the entire network shares one broadcast domain. That means unnecessary broadcast traffic, poor scalability, and difficult troubleshooting. Real engineers solve this using subnetting. Let's say we have this network. We need 4 smaller networks for 4 different departments in an organization. So we subnet it into /26 networks. A /26 subnet gives 64 IP addresses per subnet, 62 usable hosts. Now we divide it. Each subnet needs a gateway, and each interface becomes the default gateway for its subnet. We typically use the first usable IP. These gateway addresses will be configured on the router interfaces. Now let's connect theory to real networking work. Let's configure the router interfaces, enter configuration mode, let's configure the first subnet. Let's configure the second subnet. Each interface becomes the default gateway for its subnet. Now, let's configure a PC or device in subnet 1. This is exactly how enterprise networks are designed. We can run show IP route to verify our network. You should have the result below. If you're learning networking, I'm building real engineering labs using GNS3. Follow for more network engineering and system administration labs.